And I don't know if you can tell, but it's really muddy. It's been raining all day here, and it just quit, so I figured I might as well try to ride a little bit. Sketchy little bridge here. Okay, I'm gonna head back out on the highway because it's just way too muddy. So I don't know how the camera is. It might be full of rain, so usually when I wipe it, it gets worse. So I'm sorry if I'm making it worse. I have a tendency to make things worse. We'll see. Maybe that was just like a little rain patch because I don't really feel it now. But yeah, these roads are soaked. Make sure nobody's behind me. I got that custom mirror delete. I don't know about doing wheelies when it's wet. Yeah. I hit it pretty hard in second to see if it'd spin. So my last couple videos, when I was reviewing the footage and then I uploaded them, for some reason it was blurry, or blurrier than usual, and I couldn't figure out why. And I just bought a new SD card, so I did some Googling, because that's, you know, that's what you do with your problems. And I figured out the SD card that I got is prone to making your footage blurry. Wow, I have not wheelied in a while, I can tell. And so I switched back to my old SD, so it should be okay. It's probably not a good idea to be riding without a headlight in this kind of like foggy, wet, rainy weather. So, you know, it's whatever though. Anyway guys, I know this video was short, but like I said, I'm on a grind and I wanted to get this out no matter how it turns out. So anyway, thanks for watching today's video. Peace.